worst thing you can do, the harsh kind of detoxification, to damage the intelligence of the channel. Charak is talking about this. Don't damage the channel. If you damage the intelligence of the channel, it's just like killing your patient. What is cancer? Missing intelligence in the channels. Body's own immune system is going crazy. Autoimmune reaction. So why I'm telling you these things? Because after seeing hundreds of victims of bad detoxification. One day we were in Calgary. That day was whole day. We have seen about 6 or 7 major victims of detoxification. Somebody was from Ayurveda, somebody was from naturopath, somebody was from major victims of permanent damage of detoxification. Because you don't know what to do. It's not your fault. So that's what we will address this. Detoxification without creating imbalance. Detoxification with creating balance. Forget about imbalance. Creating balance. And how to repair. Even though the toxins are sitting in your channel, they are not sitting quiet. We'll talk about different kind of toxins too. Any toxins sitting in your channels or organs, they are not just sitting like an innocent person. Only one kind of toxin is sitting without damage. Other 3 kind of toxins are sitting and they are creating some damage there. Some temporary damage, some permanent damage. So repairing the damage by nourishment, repairing the damage with rasayana, repairing the damage of those toxins sitting in that channel or organ or system, you will learn just by diet, by spices, by gentle herbs, by meditation, by chanting, and by knowing that how to avoid those toxins. That's the main thing. Prevention is better than cure. Knowing the knowledge about those toxins, knowledge about how those toxins are coming to your mind and body and senses. The knowledge itself. When you know that this is bad, that's the first step to do in detoxification. To know the toxins. Know the sources of the toxins. Know how they come and how they pollute your mind and body and how.
As winter shifts into spring, we enter a time of transition. Temperatures are rising, and the warmer weather allows the physical channels in our bodies to dilate more fully, inducing better circulation of nutrition and the evacuation of toxins. Over the winter, both physical and vibrational toxins have accumulated in our bodies, and spring is the time for purification. Venture on your Ayurvedic home detox journey and rejuvenate yourself for new beginnings. This detox course is an introduction to the foundational principles of self-care, as taught in the Shakavansya Ayurvedic lineage by Vaidya Mishra. This gentle home detox course will teach you how to detoxify both physical and vibrational impurities, to reset your mental and emotional balance for optimal spiritual yogic well-being. This will be accomplished through herbs, spices, teas, oils, foods, mantras, and routine. You will also learn the basic skills of clearing and activating marma points on the body, which will allow you to detox vibrational toxins. This is your key to total emotional and mental blissful health. In order to detox safely, you will learn how to identify the 4 different types of toxins. This knowledge is integral to the ancient texts and was revived by Vajramishra. You will learn how to stop the intake of toxins, since prevention is better than cure. You will learn how to prepare your organs and channels to carry out toxins, how to integrate different protocols to isolate, neutralize, and bind each type of toxin, how to safely evacuate them out of the body through the proper pathways or channels, and how to nourish, replenish, and rejuvenate the body afterwards. Take advantage of this empowering course from the comfort of your own home and learn recipes, protocols, lifestyle changes, and Vedic knowledge that you can use for the rest of your life.